Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics for creators, travelers, and tech lovers, finding the best drone on the market right now. Whether you're upgrading your gear or searching for your very first drone, I've tested and compared top models to help you choose the perfect one for performance, value, and advanced features. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which drone deserves the title of the best drone for your needs. Product 1. The DJI Mini 4K is a lightweight, regulation-friendly drone designed for effortless, high-quality aerial filming, making it an ideal choice for beginners and traveling creators. Weighing under 249 g, it offers recreational flight with no FAA registration required, while its 4K Ultra HD camera and 3-axis gimbal deliver crisp, cinematic footage in any lighting. With level 5 wind resistance, powerful brushless motors, and up to 93 minutes of extended flight time, depending on the battery set chosen, it ensures reliable performance for capturing landscapes, vacations, and everyday adventures. One-tap takeoff/landing, GPS return to home, and intelligent quick shots simplify flying and help users create share-ready videos with ease. With a 10 kilometers transmission range and solid value for its feature set, the Mini 4K offers an exceptional entry in Product 2. The Stone HS440G is a lightweight, palm-sized drone under 250 g that requires no FAA or remote ID registration, making a convenient choice for adults seeking easy, travel-friendly flying. Its 4K UHD camera captures sharp 3840 by 2160 photos with smooth 2K real-time transmission up to 1,640 feet, offering wide-angle views ideal for vacations, outdoor filming, and creative projects. Intelligent GPS features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Point of Interest help automate flight paths, while Auto Return ensures you never lose your drone. Brushless motors and up to 23 minutes of flight time provide steady outdoor performance. With one-key takeoff/landing, emergency functions, and dual satellite connectivity, the HS440G delivers an accessible, reliable, and value-packed flying experience for beginners. Product 3. The Hiturbo S20 is an ideal starter drone for beginners seeking easy operation, dependable performance, and enjoyable aerial exploration. Equipped with manually adjustable 1080p camera, it captures clear photos and videos from unique angles. Perfect for filming friends, inspecting rooftops, or exploring hard-to-reach areas. 2 included batteries deliver up to 24 minutes of combined flight time, allowing more practice and creativity between charges. Users can fly via the remote control or the Hiturbo FPV app, unlocking features like voice control, trajectory flight, and real-time media capture. With altitude hold headless mode, 3D flips, and one-key takeoff/landing, this lightweight drone offers a smooth learning curve. Reliable stability and simple calibration make the S20 a great first drone at an excellent value. Product 4. The Potensic ATOM SE is an ultra-lightweight, 249 g, foldable drone designed for effortless, registration-free flying. Its powerful brushless motors deliver level 5 wind resistance, while the Surgefly system offers beginner, video, normal, and sport modes for smooth, flexible control. Capture stunning footage with a 4K EIS camera featuring a Sony CMOS sensor, 12MP photos, and a wide 118 degrees FOV. With 3 included batteries and a 60W fast charging hub, enjoy up to 93 minutes of combined flight time. PicSync 2.0 ensures stable, low-latency 4 km HD transmission for crisp, reliable video. Easy to learn and fly, the ATOM SE provides exceptional value, stable GPS performance, and impressive range, perfect for adults and beginners alike. Product 5. Experience effortless flying with the SHAPEFUN G7 GPS Drone, designed for beginners and enthusiasts seeking high performance and simplicity. Its upgraded 4.5-inch LCD large-screen remote, with an included 32 GB SD card, lets you view, record, and save footage instantly, while also supporting smartphone connectivity for live image transmission. Built with a durable forearm structure and thoroughly tested for fall resistance, the G7 ensures long-lasting reliability and fewer repair costs. Equipped with a real 2K HD camera and a 130 degrees adjustable angle, this drone captures crisp photos and stable, professional-looking videos, even in light winds. The upgraded lightweight design, under 249 g, paired with 2 extended batteries, delivers up to 44 minutes of total flight time, giving you more time in the air. Thanks to simple auto connection technology, setup is instant. Just power on an FLY SA safe and intelligent GPS drone.